I want to talk to you about the book Foolish Hearts by Emma Mills. In this book, we have it set in high school, and our main character, Claudia, in the beginning of the story, she's at this party that she doesn't really want to be at, and she's there with all these girls from her school. It's a private school that she doesn't necessarily get along with. Her best friend goes to a different school in her area, but she's at this party. She ends up using the restroom, and as a result, mistakenly overhears two girls talking, and they are in a relationship, and then they break up with each other, and Claudia hears this and witnesses this whole thing, and she's just stuck listening in the bathroom. So from there, it kind of goes along with her trying to figure out what she should do about this and whether or not they should know, and then she ends up having to partner with one of the girls for her English class, one of the girls that was in that relationship that she overheard the whole breakup with. And she has to partner with this girl on an assignment, and she is not a nice person. She's just very rude and doesn't want to offer any help. But as things get going with this assignment, they don't do as well as they could have because of the other girl, whose name is Iris, her inability to work with Claudia. So they end up getting punished by having to audition for a school play. And then that's kind of the rest of the story, is the two of them working on this play. Iris gets cast in a part in the play. Claudia is on the crew, and she's working with costumes. And then they are also kind of learning about each other, and they start to develop a friendship. Claudia develops a love interest in one of the guys that's in the play. The play they are putting on is A Midsummer Night's Dream. So if you've read that in your English classes or heard about that, it's fun to see, how they interpret stuff and how their characters are dealing with stuff. But if you like, high school drama, relationships, this is really funny too. But there's also some really nice moments. And actually, when I got to the end of it, it made me tear up. So it is just a nice book. It's heartwarming. It's funny and great for just a nice read. So I recommend Foolish Hearts by Emma Mills as your next read.